Hello, fellow makers. You just caught me with some beard maintenance there. Father Print was here with another 3D printed soups, 3D printed advent calendar. It's the 14th today, and we are looking at this wonderful file. It's a 3D printed gift tag for all your presents. Now, you attach this to your presents and you can print off all kinds of different names on here. In this case, JM from Tiger. I don't know who Tiger is, but he sounds like a fantastically jolly human being. So, this was printed by this fantastic maker right here. If you like it, print it and leave him a message and a photograph of the print on Thingiverse. Links in the description below as always. Stay happy, stay safe, keep printing. I'm going to get back on repairing my natural beard. Oh God, I burnt.